Hi everyone, do you want to grow your business using LinkedIn? Well, you are at the right place because in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you practical and applicable tips that you can use on your LinkedIn profile and your LinkedIn pages in order to get more people to see your content and to see your business, because that's what we're looking for when we're on LinkedIn. Or if you want to push your personal brand, then you can certainly apply some of the tips that I'm going to give to you. Hi everyone, my name is Tumi and I help small to medium to large businesses use Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook in order to grow their businesses and to make an impact using social media so that they can succeed in getting the right target to see their content. So, if you're ready for today's video, let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you have completed your profile. There are so many people that have not completed all the information on your profile. The reason you need to complete all the information on your profile is that if somebody is looking for somebody with your skills, your profile is going to come up. I don't know if you've seen on LinkedIn, you get so many people viewed your profile, you were found in this amount of search. Now you want to make sure that you use keywords in your profile. Keywords, I'm a digital marketing strategist. So first of all, I put it there. That is what I do. Don't put in things like that. I have seen someone who's written, I'm hardworking and dedicated. Everyone is hardworking and dedicated. If you go to an interview, everyone is hardworking and dedicated. But in reality, that is not the case. So we don't want to know such things. People want to know your skills. People want to know what you can offer. If a recruiter is looking for somebody, they want to see the title and the things that you have done in the previous companies where you describe everything that you have done, because then LinkedIn is going to match your profile to what they are looking for. If you are a business, you need to say owner of and founder or whatever, or I help companies. If you're in the gardening industry, for example, I help gardening, I help businesses make their gardens look beautiful, or we care about corporate gardens and they matter to us if that's what you do. Then when somebody is searching for gardening services, corporate gardening services, or office garden services, or commercial garden services, you make sure that you have those in your profile. So make sure that you look up, research on keywords that people use to search in order to find somebody like you who offers certain services or who has certain skills that they might be lacking. So let's go into point number 2. Point number 2 is every day you need to make sure that at least you invite 2 or 3 people to become connections. And you don't want to just invite anybody to become your connection. You want to invite somebody that someday they might be interested in what you are selling. Now, some people might say that I'm an interior designer. I like pictures, and people are on Instagram looking at nice pictures, so they might need my business. But I want to correct you in that you need to remember who your target is. Most of people that can afford an interior designer, for example, they are on LinkedIn, they are working, they are professionals, they are CEOs. Even if they're not in high positions, but they're still professionals, that you can even see on their profiles that they are professionals and they can afford your services. There's no point in just being and focusing on Instagram if the people that you want to speak to are on LinkedIn. So you can share. LinkedIn did not say that you only need to share pictures of your headshot at a company. You can share the pictures of the houses that you've decorated, for example. You can share pictures of the gardens that you've already done or you already worked on. So connect with people and follow other people, interact with other people's content. So remember, every day at least 3 people. Follow them, check out the content that they share, and just comment on the content that they share. And when they actually go to the comment that you left and say thank you or something like that, it appears on the people that are following them. So that way you're able to see I mean, other people are able to see that, oh, Mamang commented on this. Now they see your content. So it's very important to connect and follow, because nobody's coming to, look for you. You have to go out there and look for people, especially if it's for your business. Now let's move on to point number 3. Point number 3 feeds into what I said a little bit. You need to stay on customers' radar. And what I mean by that is that you need to be sharing content. If you just connect once, it's not going to do anything for you. You just connected and okay, now what? You need to stay in front of their eyes so that when they log in on Wednesday, you've shared something. When they log in on Saturday, you've shared something. You do have to share, unfortunately, a lot, because now a lot of people are starting to see that LinkedIn is the place to be because all the professionals are there. So you do need to invest in content. I know some people will tell you, oh, you don't need to post every day. You just need to post once or twice. If you want to make an impact and make an impact quicker, you're going to have to share a lot more content. It's not enough to share 1 picture a week, 2 pictures a week. It's not enough, because the people that see that picture in that time, there are others that are coming in the afternoon. There are others that are coming tomorrow. There are others that are coming the day after tomorrow. So they're not going to see anything because that one is already past. It's already past, So you want to make sure that you do drop your knowledge, you do drop this, you do drop your content, you do drop your opinion here and there, so that you are in their eyes. And when they're looking for somebody with your skills or somebody with your with your services or your products, then they see you. So go ahead and start sharing that content. Make a content calendar. And if you haven't, check out my other videos, because I do speak about the content that you need to post and the content calendar. Now let's move on to the next point. Point number 3 is that you need to use hashtags. LinkedIn now allows us to click on hashtags to follow people and see the content that are being shared. It wasn't that way, but you can actually share. And from what I have heard and from what I have done and applied with growing other businesses' pages that I am responsible for, is that LinkedIn cares a lot more. Yes, the caption counts. You need to put in the keywords in the caption, but also the first 3 hashtags matter a lot in order to direct the content to the right people. So if you want the right people to find your content, you need to use hashtags, and you also need to research hashtags, because it's the same as keywords. That is how people find you on LinkedIn, on any social media platform. Let's move on to the next point. The next point is that you need to use different formats. Don't get stuck only posting pictures like you would on Instagram. This is not Instagram. Don't get stuck only posting videos like you would on TikTok. This is not TikTok. So LinkedIn has 5 to 6 different types of things that you can share, the type of format. So you got written formats that you can still write, and they're really, really good. You also have pictures that you can share. You have videos that you can share. You also can share an article. You can write articles to even improve your profile being found by other people, or people that are looking for you, for your services and for your skills. Number 5, you can share events, or you can even share your newsletter. So use all of the other formats and see which one works particularly for your business, and then double down on 3 types that you will be focusing on. Unless you have events, you definitely need to know people that you have, let people know that you have events. And I know some people want to try and go live on LinkedIn. You can definitely go live on LinkedIn, but then you're going to need a third party. I hope this changes soon so that we can just show up, but you can use StreamYard. I think that's the name of the streaming thing that you can connect to your LinkedIn, and then you can appear on LinkedIn. You can go live on other platforms at the same time using StreamYard. So let's move on to the next point. The next point, and this is what works for me and my clients, is that like any other social media platforms, LinkedIn is personal. and you want to get people involved. If you already have a big company, you want to have people involved in sharing the content. But they can only share content that is good and that they relate to. And remember, your first customers are the people that work in your company. If they don't believe or live your mission, they are not going to share any content or feel the need to do that, unless it's like, this is compulsory, which I don't think you can do that. But what you should do is that you should share content on your business page. I hope you created a business page. It is not the same as your personal page. You do need a business page, and I will put a link below that shows you how to create a business page from your personal LinkedIn page. So what you need to do is that you share content on the page, and then you get a link or just click share. Then you visit your business page as a personal page, as a member, and then you share that post onto your personal page so that your people can see it. That is besides inviting other people to follow your page, which you need to do when you're on your page. On the left side, there's an option to invite people to like your page. You need to take the time out to keep inviting people. Every month, LinkedIn gives out 250 invitations that do not carry on into the next month. So you need to use those, invite others to follow the page in order to grow your business page. People that can have that option to invite other people to the page are people that are page admins. So in your business, you can have a couple of people that can be responsible a bit to help out with growing the page if they're comfortable with their LinkedIn. Almost everyone is on LinkedIn. And yeah, once they invite their followers to follow the page, then your page starts gaining momentum, especially when you have less than 2,000 followers, when you have less than 5,000 followers, because it's quite difficult to get your business page to be followed, and that makes it difficult for your business page to have people sharing the content or commenting so that other people can discover your page. So I hope these points help you, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you can be the first one to learn how to market your business or how to increase and just boom, your marketing using online platforms. This is Digital to Me, and I am signing out. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share the content. Make sure to leave your comment below if you have tried something that I've advised you to try and it worked, which I'm sure it will. So thank you guys. See you next time. Ciao.